It's really good. Oh my gosh. I love it. Hey guys, now we are gonna show you how to make an aloe vera smoothie that is going to cleanse and get rid of all toxins, okay?
Alrighty, so we're gonna start with some fresh aloe vera, and we're gonna stick that right into the blender. We chopped this up previously, but this is what aloe vera looks like, and we just got all that good juicy stuff out of it. So next we're adding half a cup of raw honey into this. We're gonna put that right in the blender. And then we're gonna squeeze half a cup of fresh lime juice into it. The next thing is we're gonna add a little nub of ginger. We don't wanna add too much because it is strong. And then the next thing is we're gonna add in 1 cup of fresh watermelon. And then 2 cups of fresh spinach. Looks like we're ready to blend.
Really good. Oh my gosh. I love it.
That's really good.
That's delicious.
Quite impressed.